Okay, girls, we are learning tenses. Last time we talked about past simple. Let's do quick revision because before we start with the U1. Yes. Past simple. Past simple expresses what? Yes, Yara. It's an action.
It's an action happened and ended in the past.
Yes, very good. Happened and ended and the past. Thank you. Any tense in English has three forms: affirmative, negative, and a question. Who could remember me with the affirmative form? Yes, Ryan?
Subject, verb,
Situation of verbs?
verb,
Regular?
regular, irregular.
Yes, regular.
Ed, IED.
Yes, thank you, very good. If we want to form negative and questions, we have or we need an auxiliary verb. The auxiliary verb in past simple is Malak? Did. Thank you. After did comes? Infinitive or verb added? Infinitive. Very good. Who could me example quickly, please? Yes?
Sarah went to the bar.
Yes, thank you. Very good. The third form is a question form. Yes, yes, Haya?
Did, subject, verb.
Verb or infinitive? Infinitive, thank you. Did you read? Did you write? Yes, thank you. Thank you very much. Let's start to know what our new tense. Here there are some examples. You will read them. Yes, you can read. Yes, they'll read the first one. I was reading a story. Thank you. Yes, Rand?
They were watching a film at 3 o'clock.
They were watching a film at 3 o'clock. I was reading a story. They were watching a film at 3 o'clock. I was reading. They were watching. In these two sentences, we have common thing. We have common thing. What's the common? What's the common between these two sentences? Yes? What's the common? Here and here we have same things. What are they? Yes, Malak? Was. Here we have was, and here we have were. Another thing, the form of the verb. Yes, very good, thank you. So, in these two sentences we have was, the verb added with ing, and here we have were, the verb added with ing. These was or were, was and were are be. Okay? They are from be. They are past or present? Past or present? Yes, then?
Past.
Past, yes, they are the past from be. Very good, thank you. After them comes verb with ing. Ing express what? Permanent, temporary, progressive, or state. Express what ing? Yes? Progressive, continuous, permanent, temporary, what? Yes? Yes, Rina?
Temporary.
Temporary, continuous or not? Continuous, very good, thank you. So, was in the past, verb with ing give us continuous way. So, our lesson today is about past continuous.
Yeah.
So, from these examples, we are going to conclude the rule of the affirmative form of the past continuous. The sentence in past continuous, the affirmative sentence in past continuous consists of, yes, Ragad? Subject. Was or were.
Verb ing.
Yes, verb with ing. And complement, very good, thank you. So the affirmative form consists of, yes, so affirmative form, subject, as we said, subject can be noun, pronoun, or noun phrase, plus was or were according to the subject, plus verb. Verb must be added with ing. The ing to the verb give us the continuous way. Some examples, please. Yes, Rina?
He was running fast.
He was running fast. Very good. Another one. Give me an example. The subject noun, not pronoun. I need noun. Yes. Yes, Lujane? Sarah was drinking. Yes, very good. Thank you. Now, let's have fun. Then we are going to continue.
I've got a song to teach the past progressive to be plus participle. Like walking, talking, dancing, and singing. Let's conjugate. I was, she was, you were, and we were. I was walking, she was walking, you were walking, we were walking. Oh, to be plus participle.
Now, let's move to the second group of examples. Who reads? Yes, Jude? Sam, thank you, very good. Sammy was not eating. Sammy was not eaten. Yes, the second one. Yes, Redan, read. Yes, thank you. We were not listening to you. We were not listening to you. The same thing as an affirmative sentence, but we added something. What we added to these sentences? Sammy was not eating. We were not listening. What we added to these sentences? Yes, Yumna?
Not.
We add not. Does the verb change? Does the verb change? No, it doesn't change. It doesn't change. Eating. We're not listening. The verb doesn't change. Same added. Still added with ing. Thank you very much. So when we add not, we have what? Negative, affirmative questions. When we add not after be, we have yes. Yes, Hannah? Negative, very good, very good. Thank you very much. So we add not after was and were to have negative form or negative sentence in past continuous. Sammy was not eating. We were not listening to you. Now we will conclude the form or the rule. Yes? Yes, who can write it on the board? Yes, Shara, come here and write the rule on the board. Yes, please.
Subject.
Yes, very good. Subject. The subject can be noun
Noun, pronoun,
or noun phrase. Very good. Plus be either was or were. Yes. Plus not to have negative.
was
When with ing. Very good. If we have a complement, we put it. If we don't have, we put first stop. Yes, very good, very good. Thank you very much. Finally, these two examples, read them, please. Yes? Yes, Rinat. Read. Thank you. Was. We have different intonation. Was she writing? Yes. The second one. Yes, then?
Were they washing
Yes.
the car?
Thank you very much. Where are they washing the car? Here we have some changing. What happened here? What happened? Yes? Yes, then? What happened here? Who comes first? Yes, was and were. The verb changed or not? Not. What we have at the end of the sentence? We have question mark. Very good. Thank you very much. So this is the form of question. This is the form of question. Was and were, the be at the first, then the subject, then verb added with ing. Now I need girl to write the rule of question form. From the example, was she writing? Were they pushing? The rule is Jude? Come here, please. Give marker and write. Take a marker and write.
Question form.
Yes.
Be was were.
Be was or were according to the subject. Plus
Was subject.
subject, noun, pronoun, noun phrase. Plus
Was verb ing.
verb with ing. And the end, yes. At first, Jude, please. Was only or was or were and where? Was and where. Write it. Write where. Thank you very much. Thank you. Finally, we are going to talk about the uses of past continuous. Past continuous expresses an action was in progress in the past. The action was in progress in the past. Not happening now. Not happening now. Happened in the past but was in progress way. Like in this example, I was reading a story. I was reading a story. So, an action was in progress in the past. The second use, it can focus about an action was in progress at a particular time. Particular time. Like here, they were watching a film at 3 o'clock. At 3 o'clock, we have particular time. And this time, the action was in progress way. Was progressive. Third, when we have an action, when we have interruption between two actions. Interruption between two actions. I was reading when the teacher came. I was reading when the teacher came. Here we have two actions. The first one, the long one, in past continuous. The second one should be in past simple. Finally, when we have two actions are happening at the same time. Happening at the same time. Now we are learning English. While we were learning English, the other were learning history. While we were learning English, the girls in the other class were learning history. Here we have two actions happens at the same times.
Hey Mia. You were screaming last night. What happened to you last night?
Don't ask. I had a nightmare last night.
Really? Tell me your dream. What were you doing?
I was sleeping in my dream.
What happened then?
When I was sleeping, I heard some voices. Who is making these noises? I woke up and went to the kitchen. My cat was shivering. I was standing next to the fridge.
What happened then? Did you see the ghost there? Were you crying in your dream?